G'day guys, what's doing? I'm Shroom. Tonight we're gonna be chasing some carp, gonna be using bread. You've seen it before, it's a lot of fun. Hit the subscribe button, let's get into it. Yeah guys, if you've never done it before, you should definitely give this a try. You don't really need much. You just need a bit of bread on a small hook, sink it to the bottom or floating, either way works, and you'll catch some really nice fish.
Feel heavy. Oh, they can't. Yeah, it's a big eel or something. Nah, it's not.
No, it's a carp.
It's
No,
a carp.
yeah, it's a carp.
No, it's a koi, bro.
Koi, yeah.
Ooh. Fucking big carp. I'm just excited because I caught it on a chip. McDonald's French fry. Good fish. Let him down a bit.
Yeah, it's a carp.
Thought it was a koi for a sec.
That's a good fish.
Very good.
Yeah, it's a nice
It's a good one, yeah.
I don't think he's ready yet, yeah.
one. Let me know.
He might.
It took off pretty good.
It felt heavy. Like when I felt, I was like, "Fuck, this thing's heavy, bro." Oh, I thought he spat it then.
You know what's good about carp? Big soft mouths. Very rarely do you pull for someone, eh?
He's, yeah, he is. This doesn't want to come around this way, maybe. It's alright. It's alright, it's alright. He just looked like he's getting tired for a sec. I was talking shit when I caught it. I just got excited because it was on a freaking Macca's chip bed. That's mad. Don't you dare. I know what you want to do. Yeah, that's exactly what you want to do. Go on that pole. The secret. That's not bad.
It's a nice fish.
Not a bad one. That's big, man.
Yeah, he's alright.
On the Macca's chip.
On the Macca's chip, man.
That's crazy. Right on the
Macca's chip. I
Macca's.
told you that they like Macca's chips.
Sorry, man. We should have went Macca's earlier.
So
Yeah,
they like the unhealthy
Fuck
stuff.
We don't need the bread. We just need the Macca's.
It is the holiday season.
Yeah, we get to eat some too.
Nice one, Jason. How big you reckon?
I don't know. It's pretty fat. It's pretty weighty. Yeah, it's
It's got a little bit of a girth there.
healthy.
On the Macca's,
On the Macca's chip up there. There's my bait up there.
right there. Good fun.
It's a little fish, bro.
Is that the eel? Little carp. You need the net for that one?
Nah. Fiberglass, bro. Thought I was getting bites. Jason's on. Double hook up.
Maybe. Oh, I was a duck just past the line.
This is a good fiberglass.
Back. Nice one, young. What's that?
It's a quarter crap. Or carp.
It's got some funny scales. Mirror carp, they call it, huh?
I think they're called mirror, yeah?
Yeah, they're mirror carp, yeah. He reckons they're awesome. They love it over there. Not too common here, actually. I've never caught one.
Yeah.
I didn't know that there were any here. Oh. Oh. Baited. Baited.
I don't know if I can Let's figure it out.
I don't think he's big. No, he's not big. I don't think he's big.
We'll see. Oh, what the f is that?
What is it?
Carp, or is that something
It
completely?
doesn't look like a carp, does it? It's probably a little carp, huh? It has to be.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's a little carp. I'll just keep him up. There we go. Oh, went right out of the net. Oh, jeez, worked hard for this one.
Yeah.
Small to the night.
At least
Oh, well.
the donuts finished.
At least.
Well,
Nice, you did it.
that one that came up was much bigger, right?
Yeah, that was a big one. This is.
They'll come up again as soon as we back off.
There we go. So.
Let me have a cigarette.
Oh, yeah. That's a. It's not that small. There. If you can get it. There. That one. Jason, if you can get it. Oh. Yeah, go.
His collar is back here. This one's steering around. Someone's gonna go over there.
Pretty good.
Isn't bad.
Can't complain about that. That's a good one. Nice one, Jason. A lot bigger than what we thought it was.
Yeah, I thought it was tiny. They put up a good fight.
That was a good
For
fight.
its size, it put up an excellent fight. It's more of a fight than the other bigger one.
Yeah. Oh, no. Again, guys. How was that video? What'd you guys think? You guys enjoyed that? Only a small common carp for me tonight. I'm still looking for that elusive, big common carp, or in fact any kind of carp. I would like a big mirror carp if there is one in Australia somewhere. One of these, you know, maybe it's possible. Maybe there's one out there for me somewhere, or a koi. Not complaining. I'll take either of those. I'll take anything actually. I'm not picky. This is fishing. I love it. Guys, if you enjoyed tonight's video, subscribe to me. I'm Shroom. Put a like on the video. And guys, I got plenty of stuff on the channel. I've got plenty of videos. on the channel if you guys want to keep watching. I'm going to put up a video on my left and my right. Guys, thank you for all your support as always. And I'll catch you in the next video.